Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, Aquarius, I'll be picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch that pick a card love reading I have after this daily energies, guys. So that may answer the questions you have in your situation, guys. Aquarius. So these cards for your general energies, guys. These cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, guys. So we have astronomer of spheres, 10 of moons, and the justice in reverse. So it may be something in your career situation or personal life situation, your relationship, guys. So in your situation, someone is here to support you, help you, guys. So it may be a person, it may be a woman, this may be your person, this may be your sister or mother, someone here to help you, support you in your difficulties, maybe giving you valuable suggestions, advice. So they are here to help you, guys, and it is giving you a lot of happiness and emotional contentment because of their presence. Maybe for some of you, this person has come to see you after a long time. This friend of yours, this person, or it may be your sister or someone from your family who has that true love on you. So they are here to help you and guide you today in your situation, guys. And you are, what to say, you are too attached to them. Maybe the way you are listening to them, listening to their suggestions, you do not think of what they are saying, you are just blindly following certain things. But this person has that, what to say, this person is a noble hearted person. They do not have that crooked ideas or bad intentions towards you. So they have that true love and concern on you. So your blind attachment on them, that may again work as a benefit for you. So they are giving you good suggestions and you are listening to it, and things are going in a positive way, guys. That is what I see with these cards. You have that happiness, contentment, and you feel the way your life is going. You are at the right place at the right time with the right people. That is what you feel, guys. And that is the reading for you, Aquarius. If you want a more clarity in your situation, you can watch that pick a card reading, that oracle guidance that is coming up right now, Aquarius. For your general guidance, guys, today I have two cards. It's going to be like a pick a card. So these cards, it may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys, and it is a general guidance, so it may or may not relate. But the meaning of this guidance card is that maybe in your situation you may have some questions about your circumstances, about the people. So it may give you some clarity, some understanding to make things go in a better way in your day-to-day life, guys. So that is the use of this reading, this guidance. So that is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, Close your eyes, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So, after a few seconds of silence, I will start with the first card, guys. So, let's start the reading. I will keep this card aside. So, this is your first card, and the card says Al Uzza, Star of Venus. So, this is a Rumi card, guys. It's based on poet Rumi's oracle. So, it's based on his poetry. So, we will start the reading with a few lines from the poetry. Close your eyes to see and become aware of me. Perceive me with eyes that see the unseen. Come into the mystery to find me. I am a carefree visitor here for you. Rumi. So that is the poetry, the few lines with this card, guys. So this card stands for that mighty blessing based on love, and with great blessings great growth is possible. That is the energy with this card, guys. So in your situation today, you have to have that trust uh, in your path, guys. Trust in the way things are going, trust in your own evolution, your own growth. So people around you, they may be reacting differently, you may feel differently within yourself, you may have that satisfaction, peace and balance in your life, but people react with fear or discomfort. But you have to have that trust in their path also, because each and every one of us, we have our own path in life, our own unique path, and we do not need to convince anyone of anything. Our job is to just embrace our wisdom, our freedom, and our empowerment to grow spiritually in our life. So that is the reading, guys. So what we feel is only for us, because all of us are unique in our own way. And we should not feel judgmental about the other person, because they are also on their path of life and their path is unique, and they are also on the way to that great spiritual growth in life. So we need not feel sad or bad about them. So we have to have that acceptance, and we have to have that feeling of confidence to shine truly and shine brightly in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. The first card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is this card. The second card, it says no place like home. So that just means we have to be authentic to ourselves, guys. It stands for authenticity, feeling comfortable in our own place. So in our career situation or in our relationship, when we are in love and when that love is reciprocated, we feel safe, comfortable, and we feel familiar with that person. So together we add to that love of that relationship. So when we are in sync, full of love, and when we reciprocate each other's love, respect and caring, we feel safe and secure. The same way in your career situation, when you act in that authentic way, when you act true to your heart's desires, your business choices, your investments, whatever you make, it is based on that truth. And you're ready to accept both success and failure because you have made the decision based on that truth. So abundance is there to grab for you guys. So when you work with that authenticity in your heart, you are going to reach success in your life no matter what. So that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.